my face and fly. Nightfall follows every trace. Cold awakens ancient tides, sleeping deep within my veins. Wind is heavy in my chest, road grows faint beneath my knees. Fate calls through the shadowed wood, run, breathe, rise again with ease. Under the king's oak stand the old spirits keeping silent guard. Crowns of fallen distant kings drift with snow through realms of dark. Fear may knock upon my door, night may cloak me in its shade. Father whispered long ago, courage bends the hand of fate. Storm winds brush my frozen skin, snow lays down its quiet prayers. Elder trees in ghostly lines wander through forgotten days. In the roots of ruined shrines sleeps a vow the ages keep. Snow may hide the path I take, yet the past still walks beneath. Under the king's oak stand the old spirits keeping silent guard. Crowns of fallen distant kings drift with snow through realms of dark. Fear may knock upon my door, night may cloak me in its shade. Father whispered long ago, courage bends the hand of On the silver frozen ground, time breaks open in my chest. From the oak's deep shadowed room